Hi.
And you can okay, so wait. Huh? Well, I guess we're just gonna do our first animals.
It's a starfish.
So where does the starfish go? Sea animals go on the right, land animals on the left. Good job. What's the next one?
A lemon shark.
Yeah, lemon shark. And lemon shark is a sea animal. So it goes on the right. Good job.
A bat.
A what? A sheep? Where does that go? In the land animals. Good job. I see a raccoon and a beetle. I think those are both land animals. Yep, that one goes there.
It's a beetle.
It's a beetle. It's a beetle. That one really splashed, huh? So go ahead and open your box and see what's in it. Oh, we have a lot of animals here. What's that?
A llama.
A llama? Okay, llama goes in there. Yep, in the land animals tank. Good job. Huh?
A hippo.
Is it a hippo? Can I see up close? No, it was a hippo. It was a hippo.
A zebra.
A zebra. Where's the zebra go? Land animals tank. Good job. You're too fast for this game already. Sea animals? What was that? Orca? Yep, orca.
It goes in here.
That's right. It does go in there. Good job. What's that?
Rhino.
Rhino. Yeah. Rhino goes in the left tank.
It's a cheetah.
And a cheetah. And the cheetah goes in which tank? Yeah, the left tank. Good job. Hey, do you want more animals?
Yeah.
Let's get more. Okay, more animals.
A great white shark.
Great white shark.
It's a shark.
It's a great white shark. It goes in the sea animals tank. Good job.
A tiger.
Tiger. That's a land animal. Goes on the left. Good job.
A dolphin.
Dolphin. Where do those go? Yeah. In the sea animals tank.
It's an octopus.
Got a big octopus. Where does that go? In the sea animals tank. Yep. Right along with all the other sea animals.
Chicken.
And chicken. Chicken goes in the land animals tank. Xander, are you too fast for this game?
I want this box.
You want more of the box?
Yeah.
Okay. There's new animals under there. Do it. Do it. Woo, what do we have now? Looks like we got lots of stuff.
It's an octopus.
Another octopus and a pink fish. Both in the water tank? Yep. Good job. They go on the right side.
It's a goldfish. And a lion.
Yeah, is it swimming? We have a turtle and a snake.
A fish goes in there.
That's right. A turtle is a sea animal. Although its babies walk on land at first.
It's a snake.
A snake? That's definitely a land animal. Although there are some snakes that swim. The mighty lion. No, those are, wait, there you go. That was a close one. You almost put it in the ocean animal tank. What else do you have? A pig?
Yeah.
Is that a sea animal or a land animal? That's right, goes over there. Yeah! Good job. Okay, you want to do more? Let's do more. Yeah, but which box is for the sea animals? That one. Which one is for the land animals? Good job! Okay, new animals are here. Take off the box. What do we have now?
I got them.
What's this in the front here?
A
A dory fish? Also, almost tricked them. It's a sea animal. He's Xander, what kind of fish actually is dory?
A blue tang.
The blue tang, that's right.
A tea mantis.
A praying mantis. Yeah, land animal. It's actually a bug. Okay.
It's a giraffe.
A giraffe, also a land animal. He's too fast.
It's a dog.
And a dog, a land animal. And what else?
A rabbit.
And a rabbit. Man, he's so fast. You want more?
I need this box.
Okay, new box. What we got in the new box? We got another octopus. 3 octopuses in a row. Is there? Well, I guess they're different kinds, but.
A whale.
A whale?
Yeah.
Where's the whale go? Sea animal box. Good job.
A dog.
And a dog? That's a land animal. What else do we got down here?
A horse.
We're gonna take the horse, and that's also a land animal. Then we have
A tiger.
the tiger.
It's a tiger and beetle.
And a beetle. Do they go in that tank?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're going in that tank. Woohoo! Good job. And new animals. Man, look at that pile. That's a big pile of animals. Looks like we got lots of stuff. Looks like the mighty lion again. 2 lions. Gonna put them in the tank. Lions are headed in. Yeah. All right, we got lots more animals to choose from here. What else you gonna get?
A monkey.
A monkey. That is also a land animal, isn't it? All right.
2 orcas.
2 orcas. Are that 2 orcas? Oh, it is 2 orcas. All right, we got lots of orcas in the tank. Okay.
A sheep.
Yes.
It's round.
And that's a land animal. Good job.
It's a bat. It's a bat and
An alpaca, yeah. So they go in the land animals too. Getting down to the bottom. Was that a crab? What else do you have? Oh, remember? That the hippo. It's more, I guess, the water animal, but we'll put it in the land animals bucket. That one was tricky. What else do you have?
cow.
A cow? That's land. I say bye.
Bye.